Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Meena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have solved in our last session? Yes, do you remember? Yes, we have started our exercise 6.3 story sums. The first one I have solved for you and the second one is same as we have solved the first one that you are going to solve. Now I am going to take the third one for you. Okay, now see the third one. Abha and Mohit are runners. See what they are saying. Abha and Mohit are runners. They are preparing for the athletic championship. See, they are preparing for athletic championship. Every day they run 10 rounds of a square field with a side measuring 200 meters. So what is the distance do they run every day? Now see. So each side how much it is? 200 meter and there are two boys. One is Abha and one is Mohit. So what they are doing? They are preparing for athletic championship. So every day they run 10 rounds. Okay, and off square. So that's why I have drawn the square. Filled with a side measuring 200 meter. One side is 200 meter. So what is the distance do they run every day? First we have to find out the perimeter of square, isn't it? Only one side they had given. So first I'll find out the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equals to what, students? 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by each side is 200 meter, isn't it? Now 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 800 meter. So the square field is total how much? 800 meter. Now we have to find out every day they run 10 rounds of a square field every day. Okay, so every day is equals to 10 rounds, isn't it? Every day they run is equals to 10 rounds. 10 multiplied by what is the ground field total? Just now we have find out it, that is 800. So write here 800 meter. Now 10 zeros are 0, 10 zeros are 0, 10 eights are 80. See, 8,000 meter. See here, 8,000 meter they run every day. So 1,000 meter means 1 kilometer. So at the same time 8,000 meter means 8 kilometer, isn't it? So what is the answer here? 8 kilometer. So what distance do they run every day? Yes, tell me. Right here. They run every day 8 kilometer. Okay, in this way, or else instead of they you can write Abha and Mohit run every day 8 kilometer. Clear till here? Yes, understood the second story sum? Yes, very easy. Now next I will take see the fifth one. A square garden is 50 meter long. How much wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times? Now they said square garden. So I'll assume here one square garden. Okay. So how much it is? 56 meter long. Each side is having 56 meter long. So how much wire is needed for fencing around it for 2 times? 2 times. Now first we will find out the perimeter of garden. Now first, perimeter of square. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter of square 4 multiplied by side, isn't it? So 4 multiplied by how much? Each side is 56 meter. So sorry, do the multiplication. 4 6 24. So 4 here, 2 carries. 4 5 20. 20 plus 2, 22 meter. Okay, this is the perimeter of square. Now they are fencing around it 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So 2 times means 2 multiplied by the square, 224 meter. Now again multiply. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 448 meter. So how much wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times? This much wire. So you can write your answer. 448 meter wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times. Clear? See the sentence, I am just copying from the question. In the question they had given how much wire. We have find out how much, that is 448. So write instead of how much the answer, and the remaining full sentence I have taken from the question only. Just I have not given the question mark, give the full stop. Okay? This sentence also very important in the story sum. The marks are there for the first sentence. Clear? Yes. The 6th one same as it is, just number they have changed. This is 6th one, you are going to solve 6th and 7th. Now I'll take 8th one for you. Interesting question. See the 8th one. Calculate the missing measurements of each of the following squares and rectangles. They had given both the tables. Now this is the perimeter of square and that is the perimeter of rectangles. So they had given some missing measurement. Now see the first one. In the first one they had given 160 millimeter. Okay, this is the perimeter of square. Now we have to find out the length of one side of each side. Now 4 sides are equal, isn't it? That given 4 sides, that is 160 mm. Now if they are given one side, if we want to find out the 4 side, what we used to do? We used to multiply by 4. Now they are given full square perimeter. To find out one side, what you have to do? Just reverse versa division. 160 division by 4. Do the rough work here. 160 division by 4. 4 4s are 16. 0 0. Bring down 0. 0 as it is. So what is the answer here? 40 mm. So write here 40 mm. Okay, now see the second one. 20 meter they had given the length of a side, one side. So what is the formula? Yes, 4 multiplied by side, isn't it? 4 multiplied by side is, each side carries 20 meter. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, isn't it? So how much it is? 80 meter. So write here 80 meter. Okay? In this way, the third one and fourth one you are going to solve by your own. Clear? Yes. See now the next question. Perimeter of rectangle. In this, breadth they had not given, length they had given. We will solve the fifth one. See what is the perimeter of rectangle? Formula 2 multiplied by breadth plus length. Breadth shortcut B, length shortcut L. So 2 multiplied by, what is breadth? They are not given, write as it is. Now length 60 mm. Now see what we used to do previously, breadth and length directly we used to add and then we have to multiply. But here they are not given breadth. So what we will do, we will multiply as it is. Now see, 2 multiplied by breadth means 2b. Then plus 2 multiplied by 60. So what is the answer here? 120 mm. And already they had given the perimeter of rectangle will be as it is 180 and 180. Now see here, what I'll do, 180 I'll keep as it is. Here plus 120 is there. If we take is equals to this side, it become minus and 2b as it is. Now 180 minus 120. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2b. Now 2b and 60 is there. Now is equals to is there. So write 60 as it is divided by 2 is equals to b. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 0. So what is the answer? 30 is equals to b. Means b is equals to 30. What is b? B says breadth 30 mm. Understood? In this way you have to solve. Now I'll take second one for you. See the second one means sixth one. I'll take here. The sixth one, 26 meter is equals to, they are given breadth now. 2 multiplied by breadth plus length. 2 multiplied by breadth they are given 5 m. Plus length they are not given. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply with 2 with this bracket. So 2 multiplied by 5m. Yes, 2 5s are 10 meter. Plus 2 length, keep as it is. And the perimeter they are given as it is. So write 26 meter, 26 meter as it is. Okay. Now here nothing is there means what is there? Addition, isn't it? So 26 here minus here plus 10. If it comes before is equals to, this side of is equals to, it become minus. And this 2L will remain as it is. Now we will subtract 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 1 is 1 is equals to 2 length. Now 16 write as it is, this 2 bring down and the length keep as it is. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So here 8 is equals to L, means length is equals to 8 meter. So right here the length is 8 meter. Understood? In this way you have to solve the remaining 2 examples. Okay? Clear? Yes, very good. So here we have completed our exercise 6.3. Now I'll move to the next concept. Now we are going to study about area. Now what is area? The amount of surface is plane closed figure covers is called its area. See what they are saying? The amount of surface a plane closed figure covers is called its area. It is easy to see that the area of rectangle A is more than the rectangle area of B, but sometimes this is not easy. Okay, see for example, now see what is the area? The amount of surface of plane closed figure covers, it's called area. So which is more greater area? Rectangle A than B, but sometimes it is very not easy. Now can you say between these two figures X and Y which has larger area? Yes, totally confused, isn't it? Can you tell me which is larger area? Yes, we cannot say that which is larger or which is smaller. It is totally confusing. So let's cover the surface of X and Y with the matchboxes of the same shapes and sizes. See what we have done. This plane shape we have converted into matchboxes, isn't it, with the same shape in this way. Now we will count here, isn't it? So how many matchboxes are there? How many matchboxes cover with shape X? See, this is X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 14. And how many matchboxes covers shape Y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12. So which has a greater area, X or Y? Yes, of course X, because it has 14 matchboxes, isn't it? Now here they had given one activity for us. Now what we have to do? Take a pack of playing cards, count how many cards are needed to cover to be surface of your maths book, your notebook and newspaper page. Understood? Very easy. Okay, you just see and write the number of playing cards required to cover your maths book, your notebook and newspaper. Okay? Yes. Now, unit of the area. Now, what is unit of the area? The standard unit of measuring area is equal of unit size. A square centimeter or square centimeter, how we write in short form? SQ.cm is the area of the square of side 1 centimeter. So it has an area of 1 square centimeter. See, can you see here the 1 square centimeter? So the area of this square is 9 centimeter because it has 9 small squares of the area 1 square centimeter each. See, we can compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many centimeter? Square centimeter? 9 square centimeter. See how to find out the unit of area? The standard unit of measuring area is a square of unit size. So a square centimeter is area of each square side is 1 centimeter. So it has area of 1 square centimeter. So you can count easily and you can tell. Now when we solve the exercise, you will understand in better manner. Now see the exercise 6.4. Very easy questions are there. Now the first one. See, can you count how many squares are there? See, each square means 1 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the area by counting the unit squares. Find the area of the following rectangle, isn't it? Now 1 unit square means 1 square centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. So write here 5. Very simple. Okay. Now see the second one. Second one you divide on third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the area of this rectangle? 15 square centimeter. How many squares are there? 15, isn't it? And why we are writing centimeter? Because each square is having 1 centimeter, isn't it? So the area of this rectangle is 15 square centimeter. Now fourth one. See how many squares are there? Yes, only 3. So write here 1, 2, 3. 3, isn't it? Now the fifth one easy, sixth one also easy. Now see the seventh one. Same, however they give, don't worry. Same, you have to count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right here area is equals to 9 square centimeter. Now see the ninth one. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So right here 12 square centimeter. Clear till here? Yes? Understood? Very good. Now we'll move to the next question. See, what is the question? Find the area of the following figures. The squares drawn here have sides 1 centimeter long. The first one is done for you. Now see this figure. Okay, this is the figure, first figure. So first one area, how much that given? 13 square centimeter. How? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 squares means 13 square centimeter. Now we will find out the second figure. Now see, they have shaded in pink color. We will count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we have colored all 2. So write here 12 square centimeter. Understood? Now see the third one. Very small figure. We will count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square centimeter. In this way you have to write. Now see the fourth one. See the shaded pink full is figure. Okay. So we will count the sides or squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer here? 11 square centimeter. Okay. See the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write here 14 square centimeter. And what about the sixth one? Very small figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square centimeter. Clear? Understood till here? Yes, very good. Now we'll move to the next concept. see, using half square units. This figure is made up of 5 squares. Which one? This one. And 2 half squares. So this square is 1 square centimeter. Therefore this is half square centimeter. 2 half square centimeter is equal to 1 square centimeter. See, when we join 2 half squares is equals to 1 full square centimeter. Therefore the area of the figure is 6 square centimeter. Because how we count the area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what about this half? See, this both half together means half plus half. See, when we join half plus half, it become 2, isn't it? So it become 1. So here are 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So it is 6 square centimeter. Understood? Very easy questions are there. Okay. Now we will solve the 6.5. See, find the area of each. Same, but here they had given half square also. First we will count the full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there, and how many half squares? 2. 2 half square means total 1. These are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the answer is 10 square centimeter. Understood? Yes, very good. Now see the second one. Here there are so many half. Half, 1. Half, 1. This half, 1. This half, 1. Okay, and the remaining full squares we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the middle one total are 4 and side one 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer here? 8 square centimeter. Understood? Yes. See the third one. See, this 2 half means 1. This 2 half means 1. Now here and here 1 is half is there. Means this is also 1. Now we will count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. 5, 6, 7 and 8. What is the answer here also? 8 square centimeter. Understood? Yes. Now let's see the fourth one. See? Full squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. See? Here half and here half. It become 1. Here half and here half. It become 1. So how many are there total? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 square centimeter. Understood? Yes. Now see the next one. Now see here. Half plus half is 1. Now here also half plus half is 1. And here half is there and here half is there. Plus 1. And the remaining full squares 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. Total 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 square centimeter. See the last one. Half plus half 1. Half plus half 1. See here also half plus 1. Here also half plus 1. Now the full squares 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 square centimeter. Understood? Clear? Clear till here? Yes. Now we'll move to the next point. Now area of irregular shapes. Now see what is irregular shape. This shape has curved lines. It is placed on a square centimeter grid. You can count squares to find its approximate area. Count the number of full square covered. First what we have to do? we have to count the full area that is covered with the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are full squares, isn't it? Now count the number of half or more than half squares covered. But do not count the squares that are less than half covered. So we should not count the less than half. Now here you can see this, okay, 1, 2, more than half is there. This is half, 3, and this is 4. See, this is less than half, so we will not count. This is also less, this is also less, this is also less, this at least very less, 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 less. And this is also not half. Half means still here it should be covered. So this is also we will not count. So how many we have counted? Half, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are there? 12 square centimeter. So in this way we are going to solve our exercise 6.6. Find the approximate area by counting the squares. Each side is of side. Each square is of side 1 centimeter. Now see, they had given the shape. Okay. First we will count the number of full squares covered. Okay. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we will count half or more than half covered. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, this is not half also, so we cannot count. This also not half also, we cannot count. See, this also very small, so we cannot count, isn't it? Now how many? 10. So together 22 square centimeter. Understood? Yes? In the same way, second one you solve by your own. Now I'll see, third one I'll take for you. Now see, 1, 2, see, more, less than half you can't take. So we will count together. This is less than half, so we will not take. This also less than half, we can't. This is also we can't. This we can't. What about this? Yes, we cannot. What about this? Yes, it is there. Okay. This, yes. This one, no. This half, yes, this is half. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many are there? 20 square centimeters. So in the same way, what you are going to do? In the same way, the second one and the fourth one, you are going to do by your own. In this way, we have completed our exercise 6.6. At the same time, we have completed our chapter number 6 also. Okay? Now it's time to practice by your own. Practice all the exercise by your own in the rub book one by one and try to solve this remaining 2 examples by your own. Everyone, bye bye, take care and thank you.